action.
Hello, my dear nephew, Billy. This is Baby T-Rex,
And
illustrated by Victoria Yang. Baby T-Rex is practicing to be the biggest, baddest dino ever. She stomps her feet to the earth, shakes and quakes. Sorry, I'm having difficulty turning the page. She chomps her jaws with a crunch and munch. She roars and roars and roars until... Oh no! Uh-oh. Grandpa T-Rex was sleeping. Good thing, the biggest, baddest dinos are also the best at saying sorry. The best at bedtime, too. Sweet dreams, Baby T-Rex. The end.